Hello, my name is Michael Cepeda, and today we'll be going over my geography timeline video, which I have set up with a various amount of images and how it relates to the teaks. And basically, some of them overlap between grade levels, but I will be going from kinder being the youngest all the way to sixth grade. And I will take note of the teaks that it relates to if it does correlate to any other grade. Now, the first one here is the classroom. This is just a traditional kindergarten classroom, and they should be able to identify the locations of items and related to them. The left, right, in front of them, behind them, in the corner, they should be able to identify anything. This relates to Kinder 4A. The next one I'll be going over is school campus. School campus is actually related to first grade as well, not just kindergarten. They should be able to locate the places on campus, as you can see here. This is Salinas Elementary in Hidalgo, Texas. And it actually is in Hidalgo Independent School District. And you can see in the aerial view that there are three main buildings, which is basically the main hall, which is in front, the upper grade levels and the lower grade levels hallways, and the gym in the back. Also, the playground is located in the back, so they should be able to identify the location of these places. As far as in first grade, it is 1.4B, and kindergarten is kindergarten 4B. The next one I have here is a map and a globe, which in this case I chose a globe from Google Earth, which is just a screenshot, and they should be able to identify where it relates, where they are located on this globe. And in this case, we're in the North American continent, in the United States, and South Texas. And this is in a kindergarten 4C. Now moving on to first grade, a compass rose actually relates to a lot of the grade levels. It's going to be first, second, third, and fourth grade, which I found that relates to. I'm sorry, not fourth grade, fifth grade. In first grade, they should know the four cardinal directions, which it should be north, south, east, and west. They should be able to identify and know where other objects relate to them, which leads to second grade, where they should know the orientation, being that north is up, south is down, east is to the right, and west is on the left. In third grade, they should know how to use a compass rose. Being that it's on a map, they should understand that, being relative, that we are south of North Texas, that we are south of Houston, south of Washington, and so forth. In fifth grade, they should apply this geographic tool to interpret the maps. So as I was saying, when they see this on a map, they should be able to tell where they're located and related to other objects or places. And like I said, just the example, south of Austin or north of the equator, they should be able to use that compass rule effectively. The community of Hidalgo. I got here a screenshot of the city of Hidalgo, Texas. And basically, they should identify their community related to themselves. So if their house lives to the left of the school, they should be able to tell that, as far as their relative location to other places. And actually, the community of Hidalgo is actually in second grade as well, which will lead me on. So they should be able to create a map of their location. And I'm going to move, this is actually going to relate to sixth grade as well, where they should be able to, like I said, sketch a map of various places and regions, but most importantly, where it's for this to relate to second grade, is where they create their own map, be able to interpret where their house is, where the school is, where the park is, where the convenience store is, and so forth. Austin, Texas is another TEK related in second grade and third grade, actually. And in second grade, they should be able to locate where Austin, Texas is. Of course, it's north of us, but since it is our state capital, that is why it's so important for them to understand, as well as using the cardinal directions to locate it. So like I said, it's north of us, northeast, northwest. They should be able to understand that, and that's how it relates to third grade. Now, since I already noted two of third grade being the compass rose in Austin, Texas, The Rocky Mountains is the third one that I have noted, and they should be able to use cardinal directions to locate this region. And in fourth grade, Rocky Mountains is noted because they are to compare the region to a Texas region that it contains mountains. In this case, I chose the Guadalupe Mountains in the Guadalupe Mountain National Park, and they should be able to basically have description of both, and they should tell the differences, similarities, and so forth. Rocky Mountains is noted in fifth grade, where they should describe the landform and the climate besides locating it. Going on, fourth grade, I also have the city of McAllen. Now, the reason why I chose the city of McAllen is because it is noted on the TEAC 4.8b. They should be able to describe and explain various places and cities of places here in Texas. So I chose the city of McAllen because I feel like it's the more people populate this area, being that there's so many things: the mall, downtown, the library, and so forth. These are images of these places, and they should be able to compare before in the past and the present day in McAllen, Texas. Going on to fifth grade, the Mississippi River, they should be able to locate this and understand where it is located relative to their own location. And that's as well as the Compass Rose and Rocky Mountains, which I took note of it earlier. Lastly, sixth grade, I have the bodies of water, which basically should be able to locate these in the United States. This includes rivers, lakes, and the great oceans. Going on, I do have the world map, and basically this is the last one. They should be able to locate all the countries in the map. There are various noted on the TEAC of a 6.4 F. They should understand all the countries where they're located and know what, compared to them, where are they oriented. And that's basically all I have for all the grade levels. I will be taking note of all these in the bottom and the TEACs that correlate with them. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you.